Hello friends, myself Dr. Ajay Kumar Tiwari, Associate Professor from Maheshwari College of Pharmacy, Jaipur. And I am going to show you an amazing presentation on living and non-living things, a topic I prepared from class 1. A child from class 1 was confused about his topic from subject. The topic was living and non-living things. His class teacher understood his confusion and got an idea to help him. She took him out of the class and told him to look around. When child looked around, he observed and identified a lot of things. The child saw the different things like a cat, a chair, a rabbit, a house, a bird, a pair of shoes, a cow, and a bicycle. When teacher asked him, now try to differentiate which of them living and which of them are non-living. The child is still confused about them. Now teacher asked, tell me and identify the things that can move on its own. Child saw the cat, the cow, rabbit, and a bird too. Then teacher said, these all are living because they can move their own. Now teacher asked again to the child to identify the things that cannot move on its own. The child saw a pair of shoes, a bicycle, a chair that cannot move its own. Then his teacher said these all are non-living because they cannot move their own, and said, now I know you are happy because you can differentiate living and non-living things, and if you are happy and I am happy. So friends, this is a happy ending. Happy learning. Thank you. If you would like to know about the tool I used here, you are free to contact on this number and email ID. Thank you.